Well, it's 1:22 a.m. The 24th of February of 2020, and Tango's been on the medicine, let's see, since Friday the 21st. Heart medicine and stuff. But anyway, you can see his tongue sticking out like that, which I don't understand. But he is still steadily, just constantly doing this coughing stuff. Oh, Tango. I don't know why his tongue is hanging out. I guess maybe because he didn't get teeth right there, or what, you know, I don't know. What's the matter, buddy? Okay. He's just not doing good. Come on. You ready? You ready? Okay, I see with his little tongue sticking out. What you doing? Oh. I know it. But anyway, you can see how he's doing. So today's February 24th. It's almost 1:30 in the morning. But he's still doing that coughing stuff. Say bye-bye, Tango. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Love you. Love you. Wee. Look, Tango. Look at him. Look at her, Tango. Tango. You want Daddy give you a bath? Want Daddy give you a bath? Yeah. I'll do that tomorrow. Give you a bath for sure. Yes, I will. You see, he's kind of like he's happy, excited, but just this coughing, I imagine, I know his ribs got to be hurt. All that coughing, huh? Ain't that right, buddy? Ain't that right? Ain't that right? So he lays down. Oh, Tango. I know, buddy. I have to take you back to that vet if you don't get better in the next day or two, because I can't keep listening to this. Man, that medicine just... For some reason, this medicine's not helping very well. And if you look at my other videos, you'll see it, you know, what medicine it is. I was going to get it, but if you look at my other video, you'll see, I think I showed it what kind it was. But you can see him, how he keeps doing that. He'll stop for a little while, but when he starts, he'll just keep doing it for about 20 minutes or so. A few minutes ago, before I started the camera, he was sitting there, he'll go, like a kind of heavy breathe, like exhale out kind of fast, and then normal, and then a couple of seconds later, then he'd do it again. The breathing's not real good. But as you can see, I just don't understand this. His little tongue's hanging out like that, I guess, the teeth. But other than that, he's 11 years old. Watch him. Watch him. Watch him. Listen. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? You hear somebody? You hear somebody? Who is that? Say bye-bye. 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 Hey, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. I know you're not feeling good. Say bye-bye. Love you, Tango. Be a good boy. Bye-bye.